guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jency and I'm on a journey to become debt free. You guys, I'm so excited that it's finally Thursday and we're doing cash stuffing Thursday. Let me fix my curtains. Is this okay? Does this look better? Hopefully. Natural lighting all the way, and since you know that my tripod broke, I'm using it. It's a little bit ghetto, but hey, it's okay. Anyways, guys, today we have like 108, 105, I don't know, but let me count. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. I don't have a lot, you guys, but that's okay. We're gonna make it work and stretch it out. 90, 105, okay, 105, 6, 7, 8. Yep, $108 today. I hope you guys are doing great. Can you believe it's like week is almost over? I feel like I just said happy Monday. Oh my goodness, time is going by so quick. All right, guys, so if you're new here, hey, my name is Jency and I'm on a journey to become debt free. I think I already said that, but if I didn't, yeah. So today we're gonna be cash stuffing $108 towards bill/rent, and also to some saving challenges that goes towards my debt or to any other stuff that I need in general. So let's see. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I never know. I don't plan stuff, so everything that you see is raw, like it goes with the flow. Okay, let me take a thumbnail. 1, 2, 3, cheese. Okay, let's see. Alabama Power, it has 20, 40, 55. So it needs a 5 and we're completely done with this one. So 20, 40, 50, and 60. Okay, so this one is done. So yay. Makes me happy. Okay, next, Eric's bed. I believe I've completed this one, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, this one's done. All right, gas. I know I don't have gas. This is for the gas bill. Not gas as in like card, okay? 20, 40, 56. So let's add a 5. We're just trying to stretch our money out right now, guys, okay? So we're gonna add a 5 now on that one. If you're new here, hubby and I, we split everything in half, rent and bills. That's the only thing that I help him out. Everything else he pays for. So yeah, so only I help him with half of the rent, half of the bills, like utility bills. That's it, nothing else. All right, insurance has 50, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. All right, let's add a 5 on this one. Oh no, let's add a 10. Sorry, let's add a 10. So now we have 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Don't worry, those $4 bills will do the 144, so it's okay. You guys, I am so close to getting monetized. It has not updated yet, so I don't know if I'm monetized or I'm able to get monetized to apply yet today. I don't know yet. I will find out today though. So yeah, I'm so excited because I'm so close. I am so close. But then again, it can tell me I need 10 more hours because I am like 70 some hours away to apply for monetization. Okay, internet is completely filled. Rent, baby, rent is getting a 20 because you know rent is $500, so we're gonna add a 20. The 50s always throw me off when I do adding. Okay, so we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 150, 70. So 170. Okay, 170, and we still have at the end of this month to complete this. So hey, yes. So I pay my husband the first week of the month for the bill of next month. So this is for next month, which is April. I already paid him this month already. So that's how we do it. All right, awesome sauce. Next, your girl's gonna do this binder here. All right, so I know I'm gonna complete something. Ooh, yes, baby, I'm gonna complete this one right here. You guys, the Hello Kitty saving challenge here from my Etsy shop. I only need 10. Or should I do this as a thumbnail? I don't know. We will see. I only need $10 and I'm done with this one. Yes. Vamos a bailar algo que está cabrón. Okay. If you know that song, then you know. All right, so we got 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. We saved $90. Yes. So $90 going towards my debt. Girl, yes. Okay, awesome. I'm so happy we finished that. And then I'm going to my priority, which is this one right here. This Hello Kitty saving challenge. This one is going to be 38. Because I think I do 37. Oh, talking about the calculator now that I grab one. Yes, 38. I need $38. Someone left me a comment. 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. Oh my goodness. Someone left me a comment saying that I need to get a bigger calculator because they can't see what I type on my calculator when I count my money. And I told them I was going to get one. I want one. I actually have one in mind. I don't know the brand of it, but I may put a picture of the brand. Katie has that one, the Fancy Dollar. Some other in small budget, I believe, has it too. Like, there's a lot of people in the community that has that brand, and I just love the clicking of it. That just satisfies me so much. They're literally clicking on the button. And I just love that. Like, so pleasing. Like, I love ASMR videos when people are eating, believe it or not, or anything in general, or just packing, no talking. I love that. And so I told them, yes, I will get a calculator eventually soon when I have money, but right now I don't have money for my calculator. I know. I want a white one or a pink one. Then again, I sold this bright yellow one, so it's like, I don't know. All right, let's count. How much do I have? This one will save me $900. So we have 100. Bye 50 right now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 200. 250. 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. So that's $300, right? $300 so far. So hey, your girl is getting close, so that's good. All right, so this is for my renewal for my some renewal stuff that I have to do. So yeah, it's like $700 to $800. I don't know. So I'm doing the $900, so that's okay. Ooh, I need to condense that because look, it's too thick. Oh no, I can't use that now. Okay, next I have $20 now. What should I do it with that $20? Should I finish my Christmas? How much do I need to finish Christmas? Let's see. I need 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We need 11, you guys, and we're gonna be done with Christmas. So 3 plus 3 plus 5, yep, that's 11 minus 20 equals $9. So I'm gonna get out $9 and add that 20 in there. So $9. So 5. Oh my goodness, let's change that 5. Hold on, let me see. Do I have some? I think I do here. Do I have some? No, probably not. Hold on. Do I have some here? No, I don't. Okay. Well then, okay, let's go to my priority envelope. I know there's some ones in there. There has to be. Right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Oh, exactly. Oh my goodness. Perfect. All right, so that's gonna go right here. Okay. Hold on, you guys. Bear with me. We do this as we go. We go with what we go. We go with the flow, okay? Vamos a bailar algo que está perrón. So that song is stuck in my head because before leaving work, you know, like when you leave work or when you go to sleep, whatever you listen to gets stuck in your head, or when you're driving, whatever song you listen to just all day non-stop in your head. So before I left work yesterday on break, that was the song that was playing before I left. And it's been just stuck in my head. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so let's get out that $9, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so now we have $9, guys, to work with. Okay, yay. Okay, now let's make sure that we have 147, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47. Yes, your girl got 147 completed, and that's gonna go towards my Christmas binder envelope challenge that I have from who? From Erica. Black and blue. Okay, let's add Dylan $1, my son, my youngest. Let's add Eric $1, and let's add Happy $1. Why not? Why not? Okay, now I have $6 to play with. $6. I don't think I have anything for $1. Oh yes, let's do this. I'm gonna add $1 to Easter for Eric's birthday present. I don't know what I'm gonna get him, but I do want Pokemon cards because he wants Pokemon cards. He loves Pokemon cards. And I'm gonna add a 5 on this one. So yes, a 5. Oh my goodness, we need one more 5 and we're done with that. So yes, look at that, girlfriends. Oh my goodness. I love when stuff plays out sometimes good. Okay, guys, look at that. Yay, awesome sauce. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm sorry I don't do budget with me, like paycheck, because I don't know my paycheck. Like I'm a server, so I work every day, and every day money varies from like $70 to $150 to $200 to $180. I mean, you name it. So I can't do budget with me because I don't know how much money I'm gonna get. So yeah. Alrighty, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Freebie Friday. Bye, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Your time is precious. Thank you for spending it with me. And yeah, adios. Love you guys.